Hi, I'm Mitchell Alex, co-founder and CEO of Skyta Academy, and I want to tell you why we built this. We grew up seeing brilliant people locked out of opportunity, not because they weren't smart enough, but because they didn't have enough access. No expensive labs, no elite schools, no clear pathways, so we built one. Skyta Academy is a gamified AI-powered learning platform. Math, science, data, analytics, ethics, policies, all through the assignment of space exploration. You learn on any device, you earn XP, you level up. Our AI tutors are always there to guide you 24/7. So you finish a course, you download a real certificate, you're ready to work, and you can apply through our career portal. This is a pathway that was formed through curiosity, and now this curiosity has turned into a career that we wish we had. Today, our app is live, and only with $14.99 you're able to unlock unlimited courses. We built this app for you. Now it's your time to walk through the door. Skyta Space, subscribe today.